My name is Adam Wilkinson and I'm the Data Center Solutions Advisor for APC in the Pacific region. I'd like to talk to you today a little bit about the APC Data Center Management Suite. Now, in my role I speak to a number of data center managers and IT operators who are fundamentally lost at sea in relation to navigating their way through the daily operations of their data center environment. They may well have their compass, being their experience, their skills and their expertise, but they're having trouble navigating to true north. Now there are three main elements of data center operations, or three main stages of data center operations. They are to monitor and manage the environment, to plan and analyse the environment, and to implement change. Now these three stages haven't been invented by APC, and in fact they've been around for many years. APC has simply developed a management suite to help data center operators better effectively manage each of these three key stages. The three products that APC has created are ISX Central to help monitor and maintain, Capacity Manager to help analyse and plan for future changes, and Change Manager for implementation of required changes. And I'd like to talk to you about each of those three products in a little more detail. Infrastructure Central to help us monitor and maintain the data center is the base of the product set. It allows us to centrally monitor and maintain all the physical attributes of the data center. These are things like PDUs, UPSs, air conditioning units, generators, chillers, security devices. All the physical attributes of a data center can be centrally managed through Infrastructure Central. This gives you real-time monitoring and reporting on critical events that occur within the data center. An example might be that after hours an air conditioning unit fails, and over a period of time the temperature rises within your data center room. And the first you may know about it is once that temperature has reached a critical threshold, the environment starts to shut down, you lose business continuity, and the environment stops, business stops. Utilising Infrastructure Central, you would get real-time event notification of that air conditioning failure. This would give you time to get into the environment and make those necessary changes to avoid that costly downtime and the loss of business continuity. So it's important that the physical attributes are all managed, and Infrastructure Central provides this capability. It also provides the information as it's transferred into Capacity Manager. Now Capacity Manager is a tool that allows us to plan and analyse the impact of changes within your data center. An example here might be the introduction of a number of blade servers or storage devices into your environment. Many data center managers today are guessing as to where the best place is to locate these devices. And there's three key things that we need to consider. They are the power, the space, and the cooling availability. Now, Capacity Manager looks at those three things, power, space, and cooling, and analyses which is the best location within your data center to place those particular devices. And it does this in a virtual world, so we can look at and simulate the effect of those changes before actually implementing them. This helps you to reduce the risks of putting something in the wrong spot and causing, again, unnecessary downtime or adding to the complexity of the situation. Once the best position has been determined, then the information that's been gathered in the simulation can be transferred into the third and final product, which is Change Manager. This provides us the workflow process to ensure that the changes are carried out accurately and effectively. Once those changes have been made, that information is transferred back into Infrastructure Central and thus closes the loop, and ensures that any second or subsequent changes that occur within your data center environment utilise real-time data environment that exists in your particular data center. The benefit being that you're able to reduce the complexity of your data center, reduce costs within your data center, and fundamentally do more with less. So those three products are Infrastructure Central, Capacity Manager, and Change Manager. I strongly recommend that you get more information on the APC Management Suite by visiting the APC website, www.apc.com.au, or by calling 1800 652 725.